Oh, hey guys, what's up?
Hey, what doing?
Yeah, what doing?
Yeah, I can't wait to see. How?
What? Sorry, I just fell. I have a boomerang beak. What do you expect? Hey, where's Bomb? Remember the last episode when the video cutted? Yeah. Well, he actually jumped out at the right second, just so he couldn't probably get killed. Hello. Who the heck are you? It's me. What the frick? Sash you? Blue, stay behind. Too young to fight. Yes, it's me. I transported myself into my regular body while staying in space form. Sounds illegal and very disgusting and very wrong. But this happens, okay? Life things, okay? And also, you want to know what happened to your friend Bomb? What? He's in that egg! That Disco Panda, my second in command, was holding. Disco Panda has been on my side all of these years. He was never the leader. He was never in the war. He was always watching your back. What? So he's basically been stalking us? Yes. Now it's time to release. Release the egg. Alright guys, you take on the army, I'll take on Disco Panda. Okay. Oh, what the frick? What happened to the camera? Oh, frick. The camera fell. Bomb, are you in there, Bomb? Is this a magic genie? I got the egg, though. He is one of the weakest things I've ever. He's weaker than the pigs, and they're pretty weak. Hey, shut up. Make me. How do you put these things around you? I'll get it done the next. Okay, apparently this takes me 40 hours. So, Blues, catch. Ugh. You can't catch. I'll throw the mask at Disco Panda. Ah, frick. Go into the void. I just killed him. You know how you're supposed to be on the Mushroom Kingdom? You're actually on Battle Island. Well, Royale Island. Fortnite Island, okay? You're on Fortnite Island. Where are all the loot llamas? Loot llamas? Do you think we bought one? No. They're $10 off of Amazon and $2 on a rigged freaking claw machine. That makes sense. It really does. So, it's either fall into the house over there where Disco Panda fell and fell to his death thanks to you. After 40 freaking years, he already died. It was time for him to go anyways. He was not alive. But whatever. Actually, you know what? I'm taking that egg hostage myself. Stupid mask. I probably just... You know what? I'm gonna kill Bomb. You know how I'm going to? How? You... What's so freaking funny? You just broke your own kind. That was never Bomb. That was a genie lamp, which had millions of your kind in them. Oh, no, you didn't. Oh, yes, I did. What are you gonna do about it? That's it. You're going to die today. What? What do you mean? Whoa! Ow! 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 See you in space, in your face. Oh, red, red, mustachio. Red, red, red,
Red. Bah.
Now I'm going to blow up all of you, and you're going to join your leader to his death. Hurrah! Hurrah!
What the?
Blah, blah. Yes, we finally killed them off. Guys, I think it's time for the Victory Royale.
Hey, Fatty Malady.
Who dares call me by my mother's name?
Your mother's name is Fatty Malady? Well, it looks like it's time for your crew to end too.
What are you doing?
Let's just say a little bit of revenge.
And he also killed one of your members. So I'm going to kill another one. Wait, what? How are these little birds these powerful? I don't know, but it sure is life hacks.
Ah! Oh, we missed.
Frick. Eh. Ow.
Let's get the heck out of here.
Do we either join our friends and then we'll probably die, or do we go onto Royal Island to live? Royal Island, guys. Wait. Okay, 2 of us go to Royal, and 1 of us goes to see Jim. You're the least important one. What? Yeah, Ray doesn't really like you. He says you're too athletic. Oh, heck nah, mate. Yeah. So I'm going to use this shockwave grenade, okay? On both of us. Well, on all 3 of us, okay? Wait, you're going to Royal Island? Do you know what they do to people like you? What? We go to jail? Even worse, they'll eliminate you with a shotgun. Just get into position. You'll die. Actually, no. Jake, come me. Jim, you'll probably die today. Okay. You'll probably die more than me. Do. It's time. Oh no.